Bular one day.
Jersey on the beat.
Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can tell up tomorrow. Dance along if you feeling my flow. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can tell up tomorrow. Along if you feeling my I want you all to go down. Joe for me. I want you all to go down. Been working all day long, try to make some pay, no pay. Some are working all day long, try to make pay, no pay. Some are hustling all their life, try to make a good life. For the pay we go thank God, sell and send the belly bender. So now we go, celebration we go, dancing we go. That's the way life should go. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can tell up tomorrow. Dance along if you feeling my flow. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can tell up tomorrow. Dance along if you feeling my flow. I'm leaving all my struggles behind, never let them show. Even if I don't get money, I never let them know. Now the way he dey go, this our life for now for sure. Whether he bad or we must show. If you get to, let them know. Wanna rock the party so hard, like the way we did dance bongo. That's the reason never let him go. As the way you got hold on so. Now we go, celebration we go, dancing we go. That's the way life should go. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can tell up tomorrow. Dance along if you feeling my flow. Hennessy come, dance away all your soul. You never can.
All right. Now welcome back. Biggest thank you to Hustle Material, Chukudi and Unkubi. Very, very wonderful moment to I get with them just now. I'm going to catch us in the hot Monday, go reach Friday from 10 to 11, Abi? 10 to 11, 10 to 11, all right? On top of Wazobia TV, make sure that they follow them. All right, so now see the video of Bular and he day with me inside the studio already. Bular, yo!
Yes, sir.
How far are you there?
I do.
All right,
boss.
so as it be like this now, you they perform for us now.
Yes, sir.
But first, before that one, Bular, where the name Bular come out from?
Well, the name
Bular.
Oh, but as people think they call this name, me self, I don't they fear the name self,
Okay.
because they sound like bomb now.
Yeah, now I like bomb now because you get one guy who
But
come. I don't know this example every time. Myself no. You get one guy who carry enter the studio last 2 weeks. In the getting a shout when they shout. Warrior! You understand? So if you enter stage, you just say warrior.
Oh,
So your own I say maybe you enter say Bular.
Actually, the way people they call them, no be so me they call them.
Okay, so how you call him?
I say Bular or Bular.
Okay,
just
Bular.
calm like that.
Okay.
But people now they do them like Zelmon Bular.
But if they walk,
if they walk, anyhow, sir.
But you coined the name out
It
from
depends.
waiting.
Yeah, it was longer than that before.
Okay.
You know, back in high school, people
Okay,
they call
we
me.
leave the English
They call me, Matambula stuff. You know, it was longer than that. So I come cut them, come out the Matam, come put Bular, just to actually make it simple and for people may they remember say, okay, and so it be.
Bular.
Yes. Sir.
Bular. How long now you do this music thing?
Well, I just premiered my debut single last year, so officially my career started last year.
Officially?
Yes.
Officially. And so far, you get this beautiful video we just watch now. You see there almost everywhere.
Yes,
most of all, they always watch the whole thing. So you're going to perform for us now.
Nice.
All right, so that same song, what the title again?
Tonight.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this, Bular will perform his song Tonight inside here. After the performance, we don't clear on top the late night show. All right, so when they come back, IzyBeatz, Bular.
All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Bular one day.
Hey.
developing, yeah. So now we go, celebration we go, dancing we go. That's the way life should go. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Say, come on, Hennessy, come dance away all your soul. We never be girl up tomorrow. Dance along if you feel my flow. Say, come on, Hennessy, come dance away all your soul. We never be girl up tomorrow. Dance along if you feel my flow. I'm leaving all my struggles behind, never let them show. Even if I don't get money, I'm not gonna let them know. Now the way they go, this our life, oh, not for show. Well, I eat bad, oh, we must show. If you get to, let them know. Wanna run the party so hard, like the way we did dance bongo. That's the reason never let them go. That's the way you got hold on so. Now we go, celebration we go, dancing we go. That's the way life should go. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Tonight, everybody party like say, yeah, I know this. Say, come on, dance away all your soul. We never be girl up tomorrow. Dance along if you feel my flow. Say, come on, Hennessy, come dance away all your soul. We never be girl up tomorrow. Dance along if you feel my flow. Alright. Okay.
Bular. Nice song, man. Nice
Now
song.
this song affect Nigeria because you know, see everybody just the party like say, yeah, one.
No, na partying things now, of course. And that's true. That's true. We dey party like say Yawa no dey, and our usual way for this country with that.
Yes,
Whether wahala dey, we dey dance.
Turn up.
Whether gbege dey, we dey dance.
Nigerians are strong people.
Any which way, and I see IzyBeatz a group to the team just now.
Easy.
Shit. Oh, shit.
You know, say we need you.
Now, so we did this together, man.
Is it? I see that this dance, that make your nipples stand. So everything your point like this thing.
Yeah,
Wait till
that's
you
true,
want
yeah.
buzz the shirt. What's wrong to you? Bular, all right. How do you take Jamie on top Twitter?
Well, it is easy. Just follow me at Bular. That the spelling Bular.
Okay.
Rules.
Okay.
Bular on Instagram, every other platform.
All
Same
right,
name, yeah.
at Bular, all right?
Bular.
I'm not going to feel the jam. Someone else go on top of our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show. When I reach for them, I tell us when I love the song, you know, at the same time, make you CC and too. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope so I don't enjoy this show today. So, of course, more songs coming, most them. All right. So, I beg, make sure say una dey very, very together. Make all of us for this country now put our hands together to make sure say this country go to make too much brain. All right. For here, we dey pledge peace. Okay.
Go vote.
Yes, so.
Let it go vote.
Hope say you dey vote, sir.
Of course.
Bular, hope say you go vote.
I go vote.
All of us go vote, all right? Ladies and gentlemen, from here, we go say good night to everybody. And of course, biggest thank you to Voe. Thank you to Chukudi and Unkubi, who joined us on top of the show. God bless all of you. For myself and IzyBeatz, we say good night to everybody. All right, so tonight, the party, concert, IzyBeatz.
Now we go, celebration we go, dancing we go. That's the way life should go. Tonight,
Cut.